On this episode, I'm planting watermelon in our raised garden bed and giving you tips on how to do it well. Hi everyone, I'm Bryan and this is Easy Growing episode number 28. On today's episode, we'll be planting watermelon in our raised garden bed and giving you some tips on plant spacing, companion plants, and things like that. That way your watermelon turns out as best as possible. So watermelon, first off, is one of the unique plants for a raised garden bed and planting in the garden grid watering system in that it requires 2 squares for every plant that you grow. Basically, the way that you go and plant watermelon is by planting in a checkerboard pattern in your garden grid watering system. Reason being is that watermelon grows quite a bit. It has lots of viney branches and things like that that will take up a lot of space, and of course the fruit that it produces needs a lot of space to settle as well. For companion plants, you're going to want to plant it with things like radishes, lettuce, and then avoid different plants like cucumbers, zucchini, and basically anything in the melon family. Basically, it makes it a little difficult for the plants to grow and mature and can attract some diseases. So keep melons away from other melons, cucumbers, and zucchini. Then when it comes to plant timing, you're going to want to plant watermelon when your temperature is warm outside. It likes soil temperatures to be around 70 degrees. So if you're in the summer or if you're in the south and it's late spring like us, now is a great time to plant watermelon. The soil temperature should be above 70 degrees for most everyone. And you can go ahead and plant and basically give it around 80 to 90 days for the plant to fully mature till you can start harvesting your watermelon. So let me go ahead, I'll take you over to our garden and I will show you how we go about planting watermelon in the garden grid watering system.